Hi ladies and gents, this is Irene, Seriously Scrapping. I just want to share my latest journal, and I don't know what this is. It's got a bit of boho in it. The outside certainly doesn't look boho. There's, a few different things going on. There's birds, there's botanicals, there's people, but you'll see that in a sec. Yeah, this is just from an old book that it's been gutted. It's a 9x6. So this is just done with eyelets. Cluster, that's fabric image, and this is from a shoe, a metal kind of bow. Yep. So this is the original part of the book. See the yellow, and it actually came with. I like that. It looks like it was done a while ago. So this is to reinforce the spine, this fabric, and this was the original page. And so what I'd done is I folded it back over where the fabric finished to add like a little pocket. This is vintage wallpaper, and these are Prima flower. This is a vintage note card thing that's been dyed. These are Prima bloom sprays. So I thought the colours matched nicely with that. A vintage page with birds. Of course, that's a vintage music paper. Get some sprays from Lindy's Stamp Gang sprays and Prima flower bloom sprays. This is an old ledger paper. As you can see, it's got some writing there. This some washi tape. This paper's been dyed with turmeric, and it's got some gorgeous sprays. This is Lindy's Stamp Gang. Gorgeous. So I really like the combo going on here. It's like a peach and a green little pocket. That's some embroidery, bow, vintage button, little pocket here. I sell these in my store as well, tags. And in this pocket here is that. Cute. That shiny stuff, that is that shimmer, cosmic shimmer. Oh jeez. The one that's got the buffer on it. You know, the little buffer. Little sponge that you dip in. It looks like shoe polish. Yeah. There's another one of the tags in my store. So I have tags that have got 5 different pictures of women and then children, and they're double-sided too, so they come in handy. And I'll put the link below to my store. I think there's currently a 10% off store-wide sale, which would include 10% off this journal as well that I am selling. There we go. So there's that. And then on this side, there's this runner. It's like an embroidered table runner with some braided trim, and made this cute little tag, some stamping and sprays. Oh, that's a napkin that was decoupaged on the paper. Vintage music paper and the lovely green seam binding. I could be wrong, but I do believe this was given to me from Ivy. Thank you, Ivy. I can't remember. I'm so sorry, I can't remember your name. Ivy's Shabby Cabin Crafts, I think it is. That's a Prima bloom spray, lovely green. Yeah. That's the original writing. Yeah. some sprays. Love the way that turned out. And I also cut it with a lace-ended, you know, when you put a tablecloth over it. Sorry, just scratching, got a scratch. No. Alright. But yeah, these are just done with no wallpapers and a Prima flower. Yeah, this is the boho looking. There's a lot of work going on here. Lots of mixed media techniques with the glossy, some foils, rose gold foils, sprays, stenciling, that gloss stencil with the rose gold going, you can see there. Bit of sewing, yeah. I think there was a little tear there, and I put some washi there just to keep it strong. I love that. I think that's Lindy Stankin. Love this page. Heavily decorated, mixed media. It's a little glassine bag there. It's a little embroidered piece. It's an image. Some laces, and it's got a, I don't know if you can see, it's got what do you call it, bits of gesso and sprays on it, and a little beautiful, this is glass, these are really, they're not plastic, they're good quality beads. And the other side as well, it's got some beautiful vintage buttons, some sewing, and this is a tuck. You can tuck something in there. It's just wallpaper, and it's like a corrugated wallpaper, this one. This is Tsunami Rose, I think. Sneaker Ponds. This was a big envelope that I just folded in half, you can see that. And I just put some wallpaper there with these beautiful flowers from Prima. And there's a pretty tag. It's been sewn with lace. This is from Tsunami Rose. So envelope. This is the matching envelope, I believe, to the other one back there. To this one, yeah. Love this green paper. And there's the other bit. I love that. Beautiful little blooms, little bow, wallpaper. Okay. Sneaker puns. There's the tag here. These are very thick too. And I'll put it back later. Tsunami rose. A little bit of spray there. I love the way that turned out in the oven. Coffee dyed papers. Edith Holden. This, and the reason why this has got such a beautiful smell is because of this. I made a little Edith Holden tag with some seam binding and a little pocket to hold this gorgeous scented satchel. It's wild rose and lilac. And I made a little mesh. Lots of mixed media gone into this. There's a bird that I fussy carded and I put little diamantes on there. And I've done the rose gold foiling with, I don't know if you can see the stenciling, that gloss stenciling, little buttons and bows and little seed beads and things, and yeah, this is a bit of the Edith Holden and sewing and somewhere at the top, and it's actually see-through, and that is because it's like a see-through, then the smell can get out, so I figured it's a good place to put the bag, the scented bag. So whoever gets this, you'll have an amazing smell. Here is another fully mixed media page, Pride and Prejudice, a little tag in there, stamping, some buttons and little image, backed onto some fabric, cheesecloth, love, ribbon, book paper, music paper, vintage, it's been sewn. There's a little cluster there. These are little, what do you call them? Beaded appliques, sari appliques. Yeah. Sell them in my store as well. And again, mixed media, lots of techniques there. You can see a bit of washi with the birds, beautiful image here with birds, stamping, a bit of stenciling with the texture paste, and I think I inked some of it. Little put some glue with those little beads, some row of stamping and foiling, bit of colours. So yeah, lots of mixed media. There's a little bow there. Yeah. And then I just done this in knots along the side, which looks cute as well. Some seam binding. There's a little pocket in there. And then on the other side is This is one of my favourite pages. It's a beautiful ruffle trim, and I sell this in my trim store. I sell this trim in my store frayed, like not ruffled, but that's the material that I sell. And you can just do that yourself. It's beautiful. It's a bag, so the back has got a space where got this tag on it, and that is washi tape. Isn't it gorgeous? That is the homemade frottage that was given to me by Roxy Car 11 many years ago, and I've still got it. And here's another one in the actual bag, and this one is that's an angel there, washi tape. And there's another cute little cluster there. I think that's fabric. I think it came from this fabric. The flea freak. Yeah. And there's the last page. Again, that is the fabric that is securing the spine. That is the original of the book, and I left the second page and folded it over to where the fabric ended. And yeah, that's a Prima faux leather flower, and just made a little book. It's a graphic 45 washi, and just coffee dyed papers. So that's it. Thanks all for watching, and if you're interested, you can purchase this in my Zibbet store. I will put the link below, and also there's a sale as well, 10% off, store-wide sale. So thanks for watching. Thanks guys, bye.